So come on in and welcome to my backyard. This is a northern exposure. I have a number of ferns and broadleaf sedges, which grow very nicely in here. And I have some jack-in-the-pulpits in here and a spice bush. And we have a number of cardinal flowers, as you see. There's a downspout garden. So we have turtlehead, and in spring I have marsh marigolds and a lot of Canada anemone. You always have a lot. And we'll go through here. This is a vine, a native vine, the Virgin's Bower. It's just starting to come into bloom. And a lot of tall meadow rue, which seems to like this spot very much. And of course there's some ostrich ferns and spikenard in there. So coming through our gate, there are a number of service berries along here as well, which the birds and the chipmunks and the squirrels all love. And more ironweed coming up. The Monarda fistulosa is finished, which is your wild bergamot, but the bees, this is the bees, I would say it's their favorite. This is in terms of bumblebees. There's some still right here in bloom, the last of it. And there's aronia berry there, aronia maculatum. And then some more sneezeweed, which I love the flower. It's a gorgeous flower. Oh, there goes the chipmunk. I ground cover here. I use violets and sedges and strawberries and whatever else will grow. The number of St. John's wort, which are finished blooming now. They bloomed quickly this year because of the drought. And I have some herbs for the pollinators. I have a bee box set happening there, which is an interesting development. And a little walkway here is my hedgerow. I have different cornice or dogwoods, you know, your silky dogwood and gray dogwood, and there's an American hazelnut in there and an annieberry, which all have berries for the birds. And back here, a lot of tall growing flowers, your ironweed, and your sneezeweed, and Culver's root, a real favorite with a lot of the pollinators, and green-headed coneflower, which the finches really love to eat. So that brings us to the back of my backyard.